Japan prints billions of yen every year.
But how does it actually become real money?
This is the complete journey achai of how yen is made.
It starts with raw material transformed into currency paper.
Welcome to Japan's Money Factory, where yen is created with precision.
This is where yen begins its journey.
Every step inside is protected by advanced systems.
From here, the full process begins.
Carefully selected materials enter the system. Purity is essential before transformation begins. Every yen begins from raw material. From raw fiber to the foundation of currency.
Each color defines the identity of Japan yen currency.
Every drop is tested to perfection before printing begins. Ink moves through a perfectly controlled system. Specialized inks bring Japan yen currency to life. Precision injection drives the printing process. Multiple colors flow together without error.
Now, the ink meets the design of Japan yen currency.
Design brings identity to every yen note. Every detail is engineered for precision and security. Design becomes reality through precision engraving. Every line engraved defines the final currency. Specialized inks are prepared for every yen denomination. Ink flows through precision systems, ready to create currency.
This is where yen takes its final form.
This is where Japan yen currency begins to appear.
The 1,000 Japan yen currency is produced with exact precision.
Raised textures give Japan yen currency its distinctive feel. The base layer builds the foundation of Japan yen currency. Layer by layer, every yen note is perfected. The ink is cured to ensure durability and precision. Hidden features are embedded to protect every note. Advanced features make each yen nearly impossible to replicate. The highest denomination demands the highest precision.
Every value carries its own identity.
Now the Japan yen currency is ready for the next stage. Every detail is monitored in real time.
purpose.
Together they form the complete Japan yen currency system.
Layer by layer, the Japan yen currency is perfected. Each denomination is produced with its own precision.
Every note is verified before becoming real currency.
Together, they form the complete yen system. Together, they form the complete yen system.
Each sheet is cut into perfectly sized yen notes.
From raw material to real money, ready for the world. Notes are counted and organized with perfect accuracy.